Hey everyone, this week I got a couple new cars in. First we'll start out with something I've chased a while. This is a mid-80s Shelby Dodge Charger. This is by LS Collectibles. This is resin, limited edition of 1 of 250. I've wanted it for a while. Comes in 3 colors, black and silver. This kind of garnet red metallic and silver, and blue and silver. LS Collectibles does some pretty neat subject matter. Quality is pretty good. There are a couple errors, a couple little blemishes. That little paint chip from the factory. If you can see into the hatch, there's a glue blob right where the back seat meets the rest of the hatch. It kind of bugs me a little bit. And now, for comedy's sake, this is very much a front-wheel drive car. He's had 2.2 liter turbo 4s, maybe 175-ish horsepower, maybe 145 depending on year. While front-wheel drive car, look at the orientation of the transmission, and look at that, a rear differential. Makes no sense. A lot of these are perfectly flat, so they put the added detail to give the wrong detail. I mean, you can tell it's intercooled. It's kind of a simulated intercooler. Why would you go through this trouble to make it wrong? I just don't understand that. The cloth seat belts are a really nice touch. Interior overall is very good. Remember, this is non-opening resin. You have a photo etched little grill to cool the turbo. These were cool cars. This is a cool model. Flaws aside, retails like $189. I paid about $100 from Germany. At that price, I'm not mad at it. Packaging is the typical powder blue LS Collectibles box. That's your outer. You kind of have the nice reveal of the multi-piece inner, where you take it off. They give you the silly display case, which I'd rather not have. A display base that takes up space. But it is nice nonetheless. So that's what you get with LS Collectibles. Next up, we've got a Jeep. This is a Renegade. I think this is a CJ-7. I think the CJ-7 was it before it became the Wrangler in the early 80s. This is by MCG, kind of a value brand. Nothing that special. Paint's okay. My main annoyance is the chassis features pretty pronounced prongs for the mounting, which, I don't know, that kind of looks ridiculous to me. Interior detail's okay. The one flourish for this price is these photo-etched windshield wipers. Kind of a nice detail at this price point. Again, this retail for maybe $59, $69, $79 at the most. Got on sale for about $30, $35. Certainly not mad at that price. MCG packaging, clear window box, nothing fancy. It's not numbered, it's not a limited edition. But no one else really makes these. Green Light's now doing a few of these, the Daisy Dukes version, which I'll probably have from a movie collection, TV collection, things like that. But that's it for this week. More cars to come. Like and subscribe, and everyone have a good one. See you later.